Okay, here's number 8. First thing with number 8 is both parentheses have an outer exponent, so you can't do anything until you handle the outer exponent. So the first parenthesis becomes s to the 4th to the 3rd, t to the 2nd to the 3rd. The second parenthesis becomes s to the negative 5th to the 2nd, t to the 3rd to the 2nd. And then all the inner outer exponents multiply. So you have s to the 12th, t to the 6th, s to the negative 10th, t to the 6th. Now one thing I want you to notice, I haven't written any signs in there, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. But when variables are written next to each other in algebra, you know that that indicates multiplication. So you can think of this as s to the 12th times t to the 6th times s to the negative 10th times t to the 6th. And now you do the ones that are like. So when you multiply the s's, you add their exponents. 12 plus negative 10 is 2. So you have s to the 2nd. For the t's, 6 plus 6 is 12. So you have t to the 12th. And that's number 8. 8 looked harder than it actually was. Number 10. Oof, they threw an L in here again. Number 10, we have 6L to the 7th, m to the negative 3rd, over L to the 5th, m to the negative 2nd, and then 2L m to the 3rd. Okay, so with a question like this, I would first just combine this to be a single thing in the denominator. So the 6L to the L to the 7th, m to the negative 3rd is going to stay as is. But in the denominator, this is a 1 here. 1 times 2 is 2. L to the 5th times L to the 1st. You add the exponents, and that's L to the 6th. M to the negative 2nd, m to the 3rd, you add the exponents, and you get m to the 1st. Okay, from here, before I do any reducing or anything, I would take this and move it down where it belongs. So now I have 6 over 2, L to the 7th in the numerator. In the denominator, I have L to the 6th, m to the 1st, and m to the 3rd that just had to move down there. Now I'm going to start reducing and dealing with my exponents. 6 over 2 is 3 over 1. Dividing the L's means you subtract the exponents. 7 minus 6 is going to give you L to the 1st in the numerator, because that's where the larger number was. And in the denominator, those m's are multiplying, so those you add the exponents, and you will have m to the 4th. You could write your answer like that, or you could take the ones away and just write it as 3L over m to the 4th. And that's number 10. Okay.